Tumatayo po ako ngayong araw na ito para magtanong ukol sa personal and collective privilege. Noong nakaraang Biyernes po kasi, nagkaroon ng pirmahan ng isang kasunduan ang Philippine Health Insurance Corporation, PhilHealth, Development Bank of the Philippines, DBP, at Tingog Party List. Panoorin po natin ang naging news report sa ating state-sponsored news channel, PTV Philippines.
Asahan ang mas marami pang health facilities sa rural areas. Yan ay sa pamamagitan ng kasunduan sa pagitan ng Development Bank of the Philippines at Tingog Party List na bumuo sa Maalagang Republika Rural Financing Health Development Program.
Rural Financing Health Development Program. Yan daw po ang tawag nila sa proyekto na kanilang gustong i-implementa sa bisa na kanilang naging kasunduan. Mas maraming health facilities sa rural areas, realization ng Universal Healthcare Act, at reduction ng mortality at morbidity rates sa pamamagitan ng pagtatayo ng primary healthcare facilities ang kanilang layunin. According to Tingog, the MOA designed which outlines their program is intended to address the gaps in healthcare infrastructure in rural areas. They further claim that it facilitates the construction, expansion, and upgrading of hospitals and clinics, as well as acquisition of much-needed medical equipment. Ayon sa kumakalat na unsigned copy of the MOA, the obligations of Tingog Party List are the following: shall assist and coordinate with LGUs in ensuring their participation to the program. Number 2, shall provide complementary programs and trainings to ensure the fiscal viability of the operations of the hospital. Number 3, shall provide the necessary support in financing health expenses of the patients through its medical assistance program. Ang tanong ko po ngayon, alin po ba sa ating mga ahensya ng gobyerno ang in charge sa healthcare infrastructure? Anong ahensya po ang nakakapagbigay ng technical assistance patungkol sa mga usaping pangkalusugan? Anong ahensya po ng gobyerno ang nangangasiwa ng ating mga local government units? Ang PhilHealth ba? Ang DBP ba? O ang Tingog Party List? Sa taon-taon nating binabalangkas ang national budget, ang Department of Health lamang ang nakikitaan ko ng programa patungkol sa mga health infrastructure. Under the 2025 National Expenditure Program of the Department of Health, the DOH has a program called Health Facilities Enhancement Program, or HFEP. Funds for its HFEP shall be used for the construction, upgrading, or expansion of government healthcare facilities, among others, with priorities in the universal healthcare sites, geographically isolated and disadvantaged areas, including the upgrading of facilities for COVID-19 response and equipping and construction of ongoing projects. In the implementation of the infrastructure projects under the HFEP, the DOH may enter into a MOA with the appropriate government agency or local government unit that has the capability to implement the project. In addition, the DOH has the mandate to provide technical assistance, consultation, and advisory services to stakeholders regarding health facilities regulation. More to the point, it is the DOH which issues the so-called certificate of need whenever a government or private entity desires to establish a new hospital. Kaya naman, nakapagtataka para sa akin, bakit kaya hindi na isama ang DOH sa isang programa na sa ating pagtingin ay bahagi o naugnay sa mandato nito. Modesty aside po, isa po akong doktor. Ngunit Doctor of Philosophy po or PhD, hindi po Doctor of Medicine or MD. Hindi po ako isang health expert. Pero mukhang hindi naman po ata kailangan ng isang doctorate degree o kahit college degree para masabi na mas angkop na mga health expert o ang DOH ang mamamahala o kaya naman ay kasama sa mga programang may kaugnayan sa kalusugan. Bakit kaya mas pinili ng DBP at PhilHealth na makasama sa kanilang MUA ang isang party list kaysa Department of Health? Gusto ko rin pong malinawan. Sa isang banda, nakakapagtataka rin po kung bakit hindi rin mas pinili ng DBP at PhilHealth ang Department of Interior and Local Government na siyang may mandato to exercise general supervision over local government units. Mas may kapasidad ba ang Tingog Party List kaysa DOH at DILG para mag-assist and coordinate with LGUs in ensuring their participation to the program intended to rehabilitate, expand, or construct LGU hospitals? O kaya naman ay makapag-provide ng complementary programs and trainings to ensure the fiscal viability of the operations of the hospital? Sa huli, Ginoong Pangulo, ang tanong ng lahat sa kasunduan na pinirmahan ng PhilHealth, DBP at Tingog Party List, legal ba ito? Ethical ba ito? Hinaluan at hahaluan ba ng politika ang mga programang pangkalusugan?